pertaining
Ay,
to
go,
one group of people.
Folk dance siya, kuya.
The people in this group share the same language or dialect, and they live in the same community and observe the same way of life culture. So one example of folk dance is in the Philippines is the simple fan dance called tiklos. What is tiklos? Is a Philippine folk dance which started in Leyte, Philippines.
Gaganyan na
The
yun,
name
kuya.
tiklos is called pintakasi, a Waray word equivalent to bayanihan of Tagalog. They work together like clearing the forest and transferring nipa huts. The Filipinos do this for free. Okay, what is folk dance na?